Hi there, it's Janice Thomson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in central Scotland. And I'm just having a problem with my chair sliding around again. So today, for the 100 cards, and probably the next two, I'm making cards from the Calm and Bright kit. Stampin' Up do an amazing range of card kits, and it's a wee while since I featured any of them. So I have used the kit in my Cup and Cards group last week, and I've kept some back so that I can demonstrate them to you. So I don't know how well they show up here, but there are 1, 2, 3 different cards, and I'm going to make this one up with the trees. So what I do when I'm doing it with a group, like splitting a kit that we can all use bits of, is I put all the bits for each design into the envelope with the card base so that people can, oh my goodness, have all the right bits so they can make up their card. Do you know this? I just had a bit of a brain thing there. So let's have a look at all the bits that go with this one with the little deer on the front. And the good thing about our kits is the instructions are purely, there's no written word, they're purely pictorial. So I've got the one for this card. This is what they call card number 3. And let's see, I mean, it won't matter if our card is slightly different. That's my get out of jail card right now. It's allowed to be, look at the quality of the envelope. Isn't that beautiful? Textured envelope, beautiful printed inside with the pattern, and really nice, like a basic beige colour. So these are calm cards, as it said. Now, with the kit, you get a little stamping spot. I'm going to keep that sealed. I've brought down my own large set. And again, in our Cup and Cards bag, we've got lots of inks, so we didn't need to open it. Now, what I need to do first is see what I need to stamp first. So it's showing me that I need to stamp a sentiment on the long piece of white card, and I need to that little snowflake, and I need to stamp it on a little bauble and add a bow to the little bauble. Now, I have cheated a little bit and tied up my bow early because bows are my nemesis. So let me see. I may have lost the little bauble. You never know here. Right, so there's a card base. Now, I think this is the wrong card base. Let me just, this card base is actually for a different card. We discovered that the hard way. Let me see, I think I might have not swapped them all around properly. Let's see if I can find one that's... Oh, come on, come out. Yeah, it should be that style of card base. I'll just pop this one back in the base. I know it's for I think it's for the second design. It needs to be the 10th, but let's go back to where we were. So this is going to be landscape, and that is a layer. And if you see, this layer has got a little bit of embossing detail around the edge. There. Okay, so let's see it's got a little stamp set with it here. And so first of all, oh, I need a block. You get a block with the kit, which I'm not sure about. That's probably just gone into our glass box or something. Right. Okay, so first of all, I need to find, there it is. There's the little teeny bauble, look. So I need to stamp I don't need to do any of that. I could do stamp whatever I want on it, but I'm going to use the example so that you can see what the card looks like when it's made up. So on the little bauble, the first thing to do is just pop a little snowflake on it. Tiny little snowflake. Oh, and a tiny little bauble tag. Done. That's that. So we can pop that. I think we'll pop it up here. And then I have to stamp the sentiment. I think this is lovely. All is calm and bright. Oh, that's not long enough. Because I brought out the small block. Oh well, I've still got this long block here, that will do. Right, shut the door and get out the strip. It had bent slightly, I just want to make sure. Right. All is calm, all is bright. Who's going to start singing? Try to put that about the middle, it says. Well, it's a bit squint. I think I'll turn it over, shall I? See if I can do that a bit straighter. I think I just wasn't paying attention too much there, or is it might even be on there, squint, but that's better. It's not perfect, but then perfect is overrated, isn't it? Right, so then we have to stamp some stars on the layer. So there is a little stamp here that has stars. So we'll get the layer, we'll pop that up there with the other stamping. And it's saying, basically it's showing you like an arc of stars on there. So let's see if we can just do something like that. Right, that I think will suffice, and that is all the stamping done. Now, again, the dimensionals will have gone into our class bag, but let's see if I've got some. I have some little ones here and some big ones to use up, and little ones to use up too, because some of these pieces are quite small, so usually if they are, the dimensionals come, so let smaller as well. Right, so we'll pop some of the little ones on the back of this strip. And now it's showing you that not to put a dimensional in the middle, but possibly a glue dot. But we'll just leave that at that, and then we've got a glue dot on the back of the little bauble, and then glue dots on the back of here. But I think big ones will be fine on here. So let me know if you have used one of the kits yet from Stampin' Up. They are fabulous and fun. Okay, so that is going on there. So I think I have to prepare everything first, but I'd rather just get this put on and then, because of too many bits, they kind of show you to prep all the bits with the dimensionals and what have you, but I'd rather just do it my way. And that's the thing about a kit, you know, you can either follow the instructions or not, or follow them in an order that makes more sense to you. So I want that kind of centrally on the card. Right, it did come with glue dots as well here, but I find them well, yeah, they're okay. You just have to take them off and use them, but I'm not sure that I just use some wet glue, I think, today. I've got some here. So what do I need now? We've got to arrange the trees, and so let's just get these trees. We've got the little deer. It's there. And we've got trees. Some of them are like, that's going to be at the very front. So we've got, and there at the sides. Just trying to work out what goes where, what I've got and what goes where. So I have 2 pink ones. Right, I think some of them, these frosted ones, they've got them more in the background. Well, that was a good idea, wasn't it, to use glue that doesn't want to come out. It's coming out now. Right, so these are really pretty die cuts. They're already cut for you, so you don't, everything's just ready to assemble. Put that one here. Mine will just be my version of the picture, which will probably not be very accurate. It would be. I want that to come in a bit. Where's my... Right, now we've got these 3 left and we'll put dimensionals on them. Big ones, because big ones are easier to get the backs of. With my nails anyway. Don't need a lot, so right, let's just take the backs off. Why does that not want to come? Some days it's easy and other days it's not. Right, I've got them all. And again, as I said, it's my version. Right, so the pink ones are going in. And then the green one spans them all. And then we have this. Always calm, always bright. I love that sentiment, it's good. Maybe put it up the right way though, Janice, that would be good, wouldn't it? We've just got the dimensionals at either end, so it spans, and all this keeps it up, so I don't really see the need for a glue dot. Now then we have these two little dudes. So they need to go on first, and it suggests a glue dot for them. I don't know if I'll manage these ones or not. Maybe. Maybe, maybe. I managed it. So then they're popping that underneath. So you take the glue dot off, put it on the item, and then just take the backing off, and the glue dot's left on. And the little bubble. Whoops. I'm going to pop that like about there. Now this is where I'm changing up a bit. Now they have that further over and they have the deer at this side. Now to me that deer is looking out off the card, whereas I would like it to be on the card. So I'm going to pop that there. I'll stick this wee dot, this glue, can I speak? No. I'll stick this bow on with a glue dot. Then I'll get the back off it. Come on, that's it. And then we'll put that on the bauble. It's a bigger bow than I think they had. And then our little deer here, just a little bit of wet glue on his body. In fact, that's just a little bit too much. I could just take it off with that and then give that a wash later. And I'm just going to pop him there in my forest. So I've changed it very slightly, detail, but there you have my version. I think that in the kit that's the third card, but that's my version of it. I rather like that. It is nice and pretty and it's subtle, but although this frosting and what have you there, it really is very, very pretty. So thank you very much, and I do anticipate that the next two 100 cards will be the other two cards from this kit. I do hope you like it, and we'll see you on the next one.